smart minds. Welcome back to Zippy Learning. We are going to learn some excellent division tricks which you can teach to the kids of 2nd, 3rd and 4th standard. Split the dividend and divide each part. Here dividend is 84. Split 84 into 80 and 4. Now divide each part by 4. 20 and 1, it will be 21. 84 is divided by 4 is equal to 21. 96 is divided by 3. Split 96 into 90 and 6. Now divide each part by 3. Add 30 and 2, it will be 32. 96 is divided by 3 is equal to 32. In the first method, we split the dividend. Now we will split the divisor. 144 is divided by 12. Divisor is 12. Split divisor into small parts. 3 into 4. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Divide 144 by 3. It will be 48. Now divide 48 by 4. 12. 144 is divided by 12 is equal to 12. In the same way, 240 is divided by 15. Split the divisor. 3 into 5. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Divide 240 by 3. It will be 80. Divide 80 by 5. It will be 16. Final answer is 16. 240 is divided by 15 is equal to 16. In this method, we will divide both the dividend and divisor. 72 is divided by 8. Divide 72, it will be 36. Divide 8, it will be 4. Divide both the numbers again. Divide 36, it will be 18. Divide 4, it will be 2. 18 is divided by 2 is equal to 9. Final answer is 9. 72 is divided by 8 is equal to 9. In the same way, 60 is divided by 12. Divide 60, it will be 30. Divide 12, it will be 6. Divide both the numbers again. Divide 30, it will be 15. Divide 6, it will be 3. Now divide 15 by 3, it will be 5. 60 is divided by 12 is equal to 5. Next method, round the number. We will divide 41 by 5. Change 41 to 40 and divide. It will be 8. As we less 1, we have to divide 1 by 5. It will be 0.2. As we less 1 from 41 to make 40, this time we have to add 0.2 with 8. It will be 8.2. 41 is divided by 5 is equal to 8.2. 98 is divided by 4. Make 98 into 100 and divide it by 4. It will be 25. Now divide 2 by 4. It will be 0.5. As we added 2 with 98 to make 100, this time we will less 0.5 from 25. 25 minus 0.5 is equal to 24.5. Final answer is 24.5. 98 is divided by 4 is equal to 24.5. When you are going to divide any number by 5, double both the number. 75 is divided by 5. Double 75, it will be 150. Double 5, it will be 10. Now it's easier to divide the number. Number of 0 in 10 is 1. So put the decimal point after one number from right side. It will be 15.0. 75 is divided by 5 is equal to 15. In the same way, 44 is divided by 5. Double 44, it will be 88. Double 5, it will be 10. Number of 0 in 10 is 1. So put the decimal point after one number from right side. 8.8. 44 is divided by 5 is equal to 8.8. Divide any number with the power of tens. Those are 10, 100, thousands in this way. 175 is divided by 10. Number of 0 in 10 is 1. So put the decimal number after one number from the right side. 17.5. 175 is divided by 10 is equal to 17.5. 175 is divided by 100. Number of 0 in 100 is 2. So this time put the decimal point after two numbers from the right side. 1.75. 175 is divided by 100 is equal to 1.75. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson and learned something. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.